Hey guys, it's Claudia and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how I got this look. I loved every moment of it. And the guest feature for the video is Morphe. The Morphe palette 3502. I love this makeup look, and I would love for you to join me in seeing how I got it. So without further ado, let's get started. Hey loves, it's Claudia and welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well, and I affirm that you are having a magnanimous Tuesday. I've already moisturized my face. I haven't primed it. I've moisturized it, and now I'm ready to go on and prime it with my trusty BB cream. Oh no, I tell you what primer I'm going to get. I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but it's Milka Magnesia. I hear the makeup gurus talking about it all the time, and they swear by Milka Magnesia, that you just get a brush and put a light layer of it on your face, and it protects your skin better than any primer on the market. This is a talk through, get ready with me. And what am I getting ready for? To film several videos. I just have gotten into a routine of starting with my brows and eyes first. I like a pencil first, and then a brush. It's you, girl. Can we say uneven? It's a MAC brush. This is Colormates brow powder. What I'm going to do is darken this up, and I will carve it out a little. Well, hopefully a lot better. What I'm going to do is clean up the brows. This Pro Concealer in Taffy I have had since forever. Are you one of those people who uses your makeup to the very last powder, to the very last color trace? For the first time ever on film, I am using my Morphe palette, my 3502 Second Nature Morphe palette with 35 shades to change your world. Yes! Check this out. Blend the rules. You better go, Morphe. Blend the rules. Yes! Looking at this palette for the first time with brand new filming eyes today makes me think of what? Think about shoes, black pumps, red bottoms. Blend the rules. Much like break the rules and do you. Morphe, ingenious. Ingenious. Boop! Is this not quite lovely, exquisite? I love all of the colors, but most of all, let me tell you, I love the fact that they're named. All of the colors are named. I know the look that I'm going to do because I've done it before. Remember I told you I filmed this before? So I am looking to tweak it much, much better. One. I'll do the whole lid with this. It picks up beautifully. I love it when they do that. And so this I will put over the whole lid. With this, I'm going to bring the color a little lower and darken that. Just to give it a bit of a contour and a sweep across like an arch, because I've got some real estate to sell that middle part of my eye. I'm going to try and darken these corners to contour it out. I'm going to pat that color in the middle, but before I do that, I will take what's left of my e.l.f. spray, hit that baby, go in right here to Ruby. Can you guys see that? Ruby is on the end right here. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I'm taking it above my lid, I should say. To darken that up, I'll do brunette. This is brunette. Can you guys see that? That's brunette where my finger is. I am using LA Colors liquid eyeliner. Ooh, I don't want to do this. I don't want to mess this up, so wish me luck. No tengo miedo. I don't have any fear, but wish me luck anyway. Can we say struggle liner? I will curl these lashes. Did my hair vanish? My hair just falls asleep on itself. It's like, Claudia's not fluffing us out. I will use my NYC New York Color Showtime mascara. At some point, you know we must part so that I can charge this battery. I just want you guys to know I don't want to leave you. Pure. Ooh, this color right up here is pure. See this one? I'm going to use that. I'm going to put pure right here. In my tear ducts. So while we were away, one to another, I did my lashes. This one seems to be giving me a bit of a problem, but I'm going to overlook her because she wants to drag me down and weigh me down with glue that slipped down into her lash. And now I can just see that one hanging, and this one is fairly well put on. Now, I am going to conceal and contour. And for that, I'm going to use my little cheapy palette from eBay. That done, I am going to bake just a little bit with my beignet luxury powder. I will highlight with my fave highlighter palette right now, which is Carly Bible's palette. I might just go on, since it's fall, and highlight with this pink color. I know you're saying pink is summer, spring. That's okay. '26 blush palette. I think this is, yes, this is Coastal Scents palette. Coastal Scents. We're going to take a little bit of this and a little of this one. This is my MAC bronzer with the same blush brush. I'm going to go in to this palette and bronze up my contour. At first I thought I would go brown with this makeup look, but I'm not feeling the brown now. But these are the two shades by Diane DeBow Company. Ooh, that is a lovely, moisturized lipstick that goes on so nice. And I have not been using these lipsticks. That is so nice. That is so nice. I love it. I'm thinking, I don't know why I keep flipping things, why things keep flipping out of my hand. I'm excited. I'm just too excited. Besitos y abracitos a todo el mundo. Te quiero, te amo. Thank you so much for watching. Muchas gracias a ver todo el mundo. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I appreciate you, and I hope you love this makeup look as much as I loved filming it for you. And if you loved it, please give it a thumbs up. Share, comment, like, and please subscribe. What are you waiting for? You know you want to. You know you want to. So don't deny yourself. Go on and that subscribe button, and it's on. So hit that notification bell so you can know when I drop a video. You know it's all free. So just come on and join me. And what I did for this look was I just swept the hair up and did a French roll in the back. Yeah. Bye. See you in the next video. Mwah, mwah.